So hi everybody, I'm Cassidy Quinn and this is Live at 7. Happy Monday. You know, we might not always agree on everything, but there is one thing I think we can all agree on. Mondays are Mondays. They're not great, right? But that doesn't mean we can't still have a good day. This is a list of everything I accomplished before even coming to work this morning. Spin class, grocery shopping, shot a YouTube video, put dinner in the crock pot, and made my lunch. So I tweeted that out for the main purpose of just reminding myself of a good moment when later in the week I'm inevitably very unproductive. But I decided we should all celebrate our small victories with our hashtag Monday Milestone. So here are some of yours. Aaron asked, does surviving daylight savings count as an accomplishment? Yes, Aaron, it does. Ryan got his infant son's sleep schedule fully transitioned in spite of the time change. That's impressive. Scott's baby let him sleep a whole extra hour and he snuck in a lunchtime power nap. I'm jealous. The one true Bix successfully got out of bed. A+ for that one. Lauren actually made the bed. Takes that a step farther. Randy here did not cry or pass out while getting the flu shot. Guido's is super impressive. He bought all his groceries and supplies needed for the entire month by noon today. Still don't understand how that's even possible. But this one might be the most impressive of all, and it is from my own dad. It's a post-work wake surfing session complete with some fake dreadlocks. Now that, my friends, is a successful Monday. And yes, my dad is the coolest. Hopefully he's watching right now and seeing all of this.